friends, today I have come up with yet another interesting video showcasing my culinary skills. Guess what? I'm going to prepare the Chinese cuisine veg Hakka noodles. The measurement is for 150 grams of Hakka noodles, take 500 ml of water. Water to boil at a high flame. Boil to the boiling water. And now add the Hakka noodles. I'm showing you the texture here. See, it'll be like this. And I'm gonna put it in the boiling water. Never done this before. And I'll put this. Put the rest of the powder in the boiling water. Yeah. Cover the plate on this and allow it to boil for 7 to 9 minutes. You need finely chopped carrots, capsicums, onions, some coriander leaves, soya sauce, butter and green chilies. Now, I am roasting all the vegetables. The noodles has boiled for nearly 10 minutes now. Use this type of vessel to drain out all the water and allow it to cool. Put the fried vegetables, noodles, the soya sauce, a vinegar, a pinch of salt and give it a good mix. Hooray! Our Hakka noodles is done. You can add ketchup as per your taste and enjoy the noodles. Signing off from Abhay.